Hey guys, my name's Tony, and I actually got all the Powerball data from now to basically 2010, funneled it to ChatGPT 4, and I asked it basically a bunch of questions, right, to give us a return on what exactly it thinks is going to happen for the next couple of days. So right off the bat, these are your next predictions. Again, do with these numbers what you want. This is obviously not financial advice, but the most frequently numbers are that I see some of the most frequent numbers here, but this is your prediction for the next 5 days of the Powerball. For some fun here, you actually see that position one, right, actually kind of stays weighted to the left side of the numbers, right? So from 0 to essentially 30, you're basically wasting your time on space one for the Powerball, anything above like a number 30. Same thing for space two. Everything generally kind of fits between like maybe like a 2 or 3 all the way up to like a 40. So you basically want to stay in this area for space two on the Powerball. Space three tends to stay somewhere in the middle between 20 to like maybe 40 or 50. Space four tends to be weighted a little bit more to the right, so I'd say probably only do like 30 to like like 60, maybe less. You have a lot of weight on space five all the way towards the end, so you're basically wasting your time if you're doing anything under, I'd say, like a 50 for space five on the Powerball. And for the mega number, which is really funny, it really only gives you between maybe like a 2 to like a 25. So any mega number after 25, you're kind of wasting your time. So stick around this level. And here are your next 5 day predictions for the Powerball. And again, I don't really do these videos that often. I just, my background is in data, statistics, and I'm a programmer, right? But today is, right, April 14th, 3:24 p.m. And these are the outputs for the next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the forecast. And again, not financial advice, just kind of do what you want with these numbers, maybe combination, maybe exactly, see what happens.